Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video I bring some new and unique ideas like the other previous ideas of different types of wreaths. These are star-shaped wreath ideas that you can use for different events. So if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will like these ideas or designs. In this video I bring some different ideas of star-shaped wreaths that can be used to hang on doors. It can be made of different leaves or lights as seen in these pictures. It can also be made of different seashells, pearls or different types of burlap fabric, ropes. It can also be made with. These star-shaped wreaths can also be made with different types of stars hanging around the wreath, and these can also be used to make for some Christmas ornaments. Mostly star-shaped wreaths can be used in Western countries on their Christmas events. Because in Christmas events the Americans or Europeans, British or English people can use it as a gesture of goodness or happiness. They can call it. But despite of Christmas events, these star-shaped wreaths can also be used with different flowers, green leaves, seashells, and as you seen in these pictures, different hanging stars can also be hanged with them, and it can also use different ribbons, flowers. That are some ideas that looks good when combined in a star or wreath shape idea. I hope you will love all these designs and new collection. So if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback enables me and motivates me to bring some new ideas for you. If you like these, it also helps me to grow my channel. And if you have any question or query, ask me in the comment section. I will answer all your questions. So viewers, keep watching my video, keep supporting me. Thank you.